Wait.
Come on, dog.
Hey, stop.
Tumbler.
Wait. Come on. Wait.
No, because I wasn't sure if he would be allowed. Or by me at least. And that's unless you want me to start walking him. Okay then.
Walk it.
Where would like, how far would you want me to walk with him?
Wait. Wait. Wait.
Oi! Kitty!
Don't leave him. Rocket. Wait.
So, like, how far you want me to walk him?
I don't know.
So, like,
Rocket.
I can walk him to.
Stop.
I can walk him up to Old Park. Like, all the way up near, like, you know, where we used to live.
No.
Oh no, that's right. You didn't come until like now. But we used to live around where Picos was.
Yeah.
Well, I can walk him up to there, Old Park, and back here. But the roads are a bit dodgy.
Yeah.
But it's up to you, like how far you want me to walk him.
Come on.
I'll take him to like community center,
Oh, I'll try to get him a cargo shop first, actually.
cargo shop.
Yeah. Like if you sniff,
Hmm?
it's alright. But if you start licking or biting even the grass or playing with anything, that's where parvo is. Parvo's only ever be on the ground. You know what I mean?
Cargo.
Parvo.
Oh, what's that?
A dog leaves.